This is Dr. Satish. I welcome you all to this video lecture. This lecture is for ENG337 Virtual Engineering. This is meant for Level 5 Pearson Higher National Diploma students. In this video lecture, we will be looking into FreeCAD exercises, that is 3D modeling exercises to be done in FreeCAD. Now, in front of me, you can see exercise 1. I have a part, okay. So this on the right top, this is my isometric view of the part, and on the left center you can see the front view of the part, okay. This is what we are going to design in FreeCAD. Now here at the bottom, okay, below the left bottom, we have a sectional view. It has been mentioned as section AA, and you can see the AA line drawn over here. So this is the sectional view of at this line, okay. So one has to understand that. Now let me go to FreeCAD. Okay, so here I'm going to use the workbench part design. So part design is for parametric modeling, so that will be easy for the students to cope up with. So let me go for part design, create new, and create body, create sketch. So if we go back to the exercise, I can see here this is my front view, okay. So I will, sorry, this is my this is the isometric view. In the isometric part, this is the sketch has been drawn on the top plane. So let me choose the top plane, okay. So this XY plane is my top plane here. I'll choose this, and I'll start drawing this outer circle of dia 80. I can see this here. So my sketch tools are here. I'll just drag it down at the bottom, and my constraint tools are here, okay. Yes, so let me draw a circle from the center, and let me constrain it. I will constrain the diameter to 80. Yeah, okay. Now if I go back to the exercise question, I can see there is a U-shaped feature here. So to draw this feature, so what I will be doing is I will be marking a first rectangle, then I will be marking a circle, or even a line would do good, okay. A line would do good, so I will go for it. Another line here. Okay, so you can see the constraints are already made here, okay. So here the line, the point has been sticking to the y-axis, and here the point, the end point of the line is sticking to the circle. So you can see the constraint here, okay. So this constraint is by default, the constraint point onto object is by default creating, and you can also see a horizontal constraint being created here, okay. Now let me go back to the question, and I can see this, okay. From the center, it is supposed to be here. They didn't give any dimensions for us, so let us assume if this is 48, let us assume this to be 14, okay. Just my assumption. So I'll just give my vertical constraint to be 14, okay. Similarly, I'll give this, let me see, diameter has not been given. No, the diameter was not given, so I will go for 14, okay. Just an assumption, okay. So 14, this goes good. Now I will be what I will be doing is I will be drawing an arc. So center and end points arc. I'll click the center, and I go here, click this, and my end point. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so as soon as I do this, I can see some redundant constraints being made. Okay, so what I do here is to reduce the redundant constraints. Redundant constraints are those where you give extra dimensions than needed. Okay, so dimensions or constraints than needed. Now let me reduce one of the constraints here, maybe this. Okay, and here, see, so once once you reduce the dimension or constraint, okay, the redundant constraint will appear. Now it is fully constrained, which means it is good to go. The green color is good to go now. So let me draw three circles here. Parameters, three circles, and the three holes are 10. It's drilled through fine, and this hole is supposed to be 28. Okay, from the center. So what I will do is I'll create three circles. Dia 10. Sorry. Yeah. So the dia is 10, and I'll also create a circle here. Okay, and what I will do is I will just click these three circles, and I give equality constraints as that both are equal dias. Fine. Now let me give the dimensions, the constraints. This is 28 as given in the question. This is again 28. Okay, and here I'm giving the same 28 here. Sorry, my bad. I should not give the vertical distance, I should give the horizontal distance. So I'm constraining the horizontal distance here, and 28. Okay, so all are constrained. Okay, so the only thing is I have to remove this extra part, okay, before I go for padding it. Now this is my trim icon. I click this, I click it. Yeah, fine, this is good. Now I will close the sketch. So once I close it, you can see, okay, I can go for different options from pad, pocket, hole, revolution, and everything. And I'm going to go for a pad and the thickness. So if I go back to the question, the thickness is 5 and the cross section shows 5. So I will quickly go for 5. Click OK. Yeah. So this is how I complete the exercise 1. Fine. I'm happy that you are here. Let me see you all in the next video. Thank you.